chicken breast cutlets.
Yeah. So just
Yes.
chicken breast sliced in half.
Okay.
Like through
Chicken
like
sliced in half.
like this. Like this is the whole chicken breast.
Okay.
So it's been sliced
Okay.
in half like that.
Mhm. What else?
This is weird. Big film documented. Pounded thin
Pounded thin.
to 1/4 of an inch.
1/4 inch.
Like so.
Like so. Yes.
And for our breading, we have a mixture of grated Asiago queso, grated finely with the microplane.
What?
Huh?
Grated what?
Finely.
Finely. Okay.
Yes.
What is that?
It's just grated.
What is finely?
Well, if you use this,
Oh, grated finely.
yeah, like it's gonna be.
I
giant
thought
chunks.
finely was something else. You know,
Finely grated. What? No.
I thought you meant like finely as finely is something.
Finally, or finally is something.
Like, I honestly thought it was a food, finally. I was like, where can I find finally?
What is finally?
I know cheese.
Tell me.
I know cheese. I don't know
Okay.
finally.
So there's cheese in here. It's grated. It's all,
Okay.
It's got to be small pieces of cheese.
Small
and,
pieces.
cheese. Panko.
This.
Breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs. Okay.
And mustard powder. Amounts. And then I'm gonna actually also add salt to that. Just kind of winging it. I don't really know how much to add. It doesn't say. It just says add salt. And then I'm gonna season the chicken breast and cutlets as well.
Cutlets. Found at Winn-Dixie.
Yes, but you can get them at any supermarket.
Found at Publix.
Probably
Walmart.
at Publix. I wouldn't buy meat from Walmart.
Don't buy meat from Walmart. Got it.
And just sprinkle a little salt on both sides.
Salt on both sides. Oven
That's for broccoli.
preheated for broccoli
You know how to
purposes.
make broccoli?
I know how to make broccoli. Thus, I shall not record the broccoli making
The
process.
broccoli. Broccoli. I'm gonna go and get the broccoli started because that's gonna take longer than chicken. So I'm gonna finish that up. But we also have a whisked egg. The amount of egg you need depends on how much chicken you plan on breading. I think 1 egg would be enough for this
Okay.
amount, but I might need to whisk another egg if I run out.
Okay.
But basically what I'm gonna do is dip the chicken in the egg, and then, no, sorry, I'm gonna dip it in the flour. This is flour, it's just all-purpose flour, just flour alone. I'm gonna take the chicken.
Carbs?
Huh?
No.
What?
What?
What? What'd you say?
Carbs?
Yeah, this
Flour?
is carbs too, but it's just a little. It's just
Okay.
gonna do breading.
Okay.
So this is gonna get coated in here, then it's gonna go in the egg, and then it's gonna go in here. So it's boom, boom, boom. And that's breading. Hey, so in the cast iron skillet.
I'm not
I've got-
gonna have a cast iron skillet.
Okay, well you can use a regular skillet.
Okay.
But in the skillet, I'll leave the bigger one. In the skillet, I've got olive oil, just kind of enough to coat the bottom of the pan. The recipe said 6 tablespoons, just usually enough to have a little pool of oil in here. Heating up to medium high, that's usually just halfway between medium and high. This high gets a little hot, so I go make it a little lower sometimes. You want to let it get nice and hot, like really hot, before you start doing any cooking in there. So season chicken with salt, a little pepper on.
Perfect.
The recipe says Parmesan cheese, like a hard cheese. No, you don't want
Finely grated.
Yeah, you don't want like a really soft cheese, like a mozzarella or something. Just letting that heat up a little bit before I get going, because as soon as I dredge, I'm on good. Okay, so first it is flour. Just drop it in, coat it in flour. Get it nice and covered all around. Then egg wash. I should do wet hand, dry hand. So you want this to be a dry hand, and then your left hand will be the wet hand. Because it's going to get all sticky, and then the second your wet hand, and it's just going to make it harder to do things if you use the same hand. So cover an egg wash, let it drip for a second. Breadcrumbs. And you can kind of press it into the breadcrumbs to get it nice and coated. Make sure it's really all on there. Yeah, this is gonna be really good.
That looks really good, and it's not even cooked.
Yep.
Oh.
And then you can just let it hang out on a plate until you're ready.
Oh.
Flour, these, quite a bit of timer on for that broccoli. Okay, that's starting to smoke, so that tells me it's ready. And then that's just probably, I didn't check the recipe, but it's probably going to be like 2 or 3 minutes on each side. Shouldn't take much.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Yeah, it's a cheese. Also, it's such a smelly, strong cheese.
Can't wait to eat this. This is actually looking really good.
I was trying to find a pollo manchego recipe, but
Oh.
I couldn't. But it seemed like it was like what I was reading is it seemed like it's basically this. It's just cheese crusted chicken.
Oh my gosh. Yes. Smells delicious. Why the flour?
Flour helps the egg stick to the chicken.
Oh.
The egg will just slide off if there's no flour. Basically, when it gets like a nice crispy brown, actually looks good.
Oh my. How much did the chicken cost for all 3 pieces?
$5.
$5? Okay.
But you can get it cheaper if you buy whole chicken breasts. I thought those ones are already cut.
And then, but you'd have to cut them in half. It's a lot of skills
Yeah, it's a little
to cut them in
to
half.
slice them in half properly.
And 1 egg is enough for all 3 of them then.
Yeah, the recipe was double this, so that's why I figured 1 egg would be good. So with the recipe I send you, if you want to make just this much, you have to cut everything in half.
Okay. That's good to know. But for meal prepping purposes, it's better to just
Give it all.
do everything.
Yep.
Is it the same amount of time regardless if it's cast iron skillet or not?
Yeah. But I really
Non-stick pan?
Yeah, it should be about the same amount of time. I just do everything visually though.
What?
I do it visually, like,
Oh.
you don't want it any more brown than that. It's gonna start burning. And you just want to make sure you control the heat.
Make sure you don't burn yourself.
Yeah.
Wear safety gloves. Buy safety gloves. In the line of fire.
No, we just cut into it if you want to make sure it's done. Cut into the thickest part. Check the interior. Done.
You almost have to be wearing like safety gloves to not get burnt.
Yeah, I think the oil is a little too shallow.
Too shallow?
Yeah, you need more oil in the pan.
You need more?
Yeah, I wouldn't do that. It wouldn't pop like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. So you need more oil to start, or?
Yeah.
Okay. Because it is popping. And that's it? Awesome.